Imagine an AI that can read millions of scientific papers, generate new drug candidates, build hypotheses, and plan full experiments, faster and more accurately than a team of PhDs. That's exactly what just happened. Backed by former Google CEO Eric Schmidt, a new AI research platform called Future House is redefining what's possible in science. Built by a small but brilliant team of engineers and biologists, it doesn't just assist, it automates discovery. At the core of the system are 4 powerful AI agents: Crow, Falcon, Owl, and Phoenix. Each is specialized. One finds research, another designs molecules, one generates hypotheses, and the last writes code to test them. Together, they're doing what would normally take weeks of human labor in hours. And the most shocking part? It's open and completely free to use. In this video, we'll explore how Future House works, how it challenges traditional research methods, and why this could be the biggest leap in scientific development since the invention of the internet. Let's get started. Future House isn't just another AI tool. It's a fully operational scientific research platform designed to handle complex discovery workflows from start to finish. Built by a team of 5 engineers and 2 biologists, and backed by Eric Schmidt, the former CEO of Google, Future House has one goal: to accelerate science using intelligent automation. At the heart of this platform are 4 autonomous AI agents, each trained to perform critical roles in a scientific process. They don't just generate summaries or automate code. They're designed to think, strategize, and collaborate like a real research team. The platform is already capable of tackling entire projects in fields like drug discovery and molecular biology. It has read over 38 million scientific papers, understands thousands of APIs, and can generate experimental designs in response to a simple prompt. Unlike most AI demos, Future House is not hypothetical. It's live, accessible, and running at scale. And it's producing results that rival, and in some cases, surpass, human researchers. The team behind Future House isn't trying to replace scientists. They're building the infrastructure for a world where researchers can offload repetitive, high-volume tasks to tireless, unbiased, and incredibly fast AI collaborators. At the core of Future House are 4 specialized AI agents, each designed to mimic a key part of the scientific research pipeline. Working together, they simulate the functions of a fully staffed lab, only faster, more scalable, and tireless. Crow is the literature expert. It combs through tens of millions of scientific papers, extracting relevant insights in seconds. Whether the topic is genomics, cancer therapeutics, or synthetic biology, Crow can identify what's already been discovered, what's missing, and what questions still need to be answered. Falcon takes it from there. Acting like a hypothesis architect, Falcon uses the data Crow provides to propose next steps. It identifies knowledge gaps, formulates new research ideas, and sets the direction for discovery, a task usually done by senior researchers after days of review. Next comes Owl, the system's software engineer. Owl translates Falcon's hypotheses into executable experiments. It writes code, generates protocols, and integrates with lab tools or external APIs. This step turns theory into something actionable. Finally, there's Phoenix, the synthesis planner. Phoenix is responsible for molecule generation, compound screening, and evaluating which chemical designs are most viable. Whether it's designing a new drug or modifying an existing compound, Phoenix operates with the precision of a pharmaceutical scientist. Each agent operates independently but can be prompted as a group. Together, they simulate the full feedback loop of research, inquiry, experimentation, and analysis, all without human supervision. The Future House platform isn't just impressive in theory, it's functioning now. Researchers can start a project by typing a single sentence, and within minutes, this AI team responds with papers, molecules, hypotheses, and even functional code. One of the most remarkable things about Future House is how fast and seamlessly it executes what would traditionally take a research lab weeks or even months to accomplish. From the moment a user enters a prompt, the system sets into motion a complete multi-phase workflow using its 4-agent architecture. It starts with a simple sentence, something like, "Discover potential inhibitors for gene XYZ," related to breast cancer. That alone is enough to activate the agents. Crow begins scanning the vast scientific corpus, surfacing data on known inhibitors, genetic relationships, prior studies, and regulatory context. It pulls from more than 38 million peer-reviewed articles, going far beyond what a human team could realistically comb through in a limited time. Then Falcon reviews the collected material and identifies unexplored hypotheses. It suggests novel research directions or alternative therapeutic pathways, not by guessing, but by triangulating patterns found in published and unpublished data. From there, Owl picks up the baton and begins coding. It assembles the tools needed to test Falcon's proposals, whether it's a simulated biological model, a computational protein structure, or a tool that runs chemical screens. Owl doesn't just write code, it connects platforms, automates analysis, and enables real-time testing. Finally, Phoenix proposes chemical compounds that could serve as drug candidates. It uses deep learning models to generate viable molecular structures and evaluates them for safety, stability, and efficacy, mimicking the early steps of a pharmaceutical pipeline. What's revolutionary is not just what each agent does, it's how well they collaborate. Their end-to-end integration means users don't have to manually bridge the gaps between ideation, execution, and analysis. It's a closed-loop scientific engine, one that runs without burnout, without distraction, and at a pace no human team can match. With these tools combined, Future House makes it possible for anyone, regardless of technical background, to launch complex research initiatives, explore ideas, and get concrete outputs within hours. This isn't theoretical, it's operational, and it's free. Future House isn't a concept or a sneak peek. It's a working platform that's changing the way scientific discovery is done. With just one prompt, it activates a coordinated response from 4 powerful AI agents, each specializing in a critical research domain. From reading scientific papers to writing code, designing compounds, and generating hypotheses, this system compresses months of human work into a few minutes. It's not replacing human researchers, it's supercharging them. Instead of spending days reviewing literature or debugging data pipelines, scientists can now focus on the bigger picture: what to ask, where to look, what to build next. Meanwhile, Future House handles the execution with unmatched speed, consistency, and memory. With backing from Eric Schmidt and contributions from a small but world-class team, this project reflects a shift in how we think about artificial intelligence. It's not just a chatbot or a summarizer. It's a system that thinks across multiple layers, collaborates with itself, and delivers tangible results. And perhaps the most disruptive part? It's open and completely free to use. Anyone can access it. Anyone can experiment. The barriers to entry for serious research just dropped to nearly zero. Whether you're a scientist, a student, or someone curious about the future, this is a turning point. The era of autonomous research isn't coming. It's already here.